Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use Skimlinks. So let's first start with what is Skimlinks. So automatically turns your normal product links into affiliate links, so you earn commissions without manually joining tons of affiliate programs. So first up, you have to create and get approved. So first, you have to sign up to the Skimlinks website and then add your website or blog, and then you just have to wait for approval. So that usually takes 24 to 72 hours. Now, approval depends on the original content, the consistent traffic, and the clear niche. So that can be a tech, fashion, reviews, and etc. So step 2 is you have to install the Skimlinks on your site. So the option A if you have a JavaScript code, this is the most common one. You just have to copy your Skimlinks and then the JavaScript code. And then you just have to paste it into the site's head section and then save and publish. And that's it. Existing and future links are monetized automatically. Now for option B, we have the CMS or the platform install. So for the Skimlinks work with the WordPress, Shopify, and Wix. So some platforms need header injection, plugin, or theme settings. Now for step number 3, you just have to add a normal product link. So this is very important that you do not need special affiliate links. So let's say for example, normal link of an online store product, and then Skimlinks converts it automatically. So it works with the merchants like Amazon, Nike, Lazada, and etc. Now for step 4 is the track earning and performance. So inside the dashboard, you will see clicks, sales, commission, top earning merchants, and best pages. And for step 5, which is to get paid, so the minimum payout is $65, and then you will have 2 options for the payment methods, which is PayPal and the bank transfer. And then the payout schedule is monthly. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!